welcome back to my video. I've already cleaned the beads with some Dawn dishwashing soap, and I did start harvesting some packages already of beads from the Goodwill grab bag. And here's a necklace. Right here it has chip beads. And what I do first is, I get a nice pad, something I could work on. This is a jewelry cloth. And then I get a Ziploc bag where everything is going to go in. And I have my scissors. You know, make sure they're old scissors, not your good ones. And my clippers. So the first thing I do is cut, and then I just start sliding the beads off. And this is a pretty easy one right here. This one is just, you know, just sliding them off. And it's nice to repurpose. And I have my trash can down here below. Oops. And most beads, they do have a knot, so when it comes kind of hard to pull, like here's the knot right here, make sure you just cut those off. And you'll be surprised how many beads you can get from one necklace. And I think this grab bag with shipping and everything came to about, I usually, since my Goodwills in my area do not sell jewelry anymore, I have to go online and bid on them. But the shipping's real reasonable because, you know, I just bid for the ones in my area. And the shipping is always reasonable. And, you know, these are nice little glass chip beads. And I will make videos on the jewelry I make from these. Here is a, you know, I just have a pile of stuff. I'm just going to go through. And sometimes they just have lots of seed beads. And some of the seed beads you get in the, you know, from the necklaces, or, you know, they don't sell them in the stores, so you can get, I'm going to put this back over for later. And here, this is, they made a, here's a finding, and it's not sterling silver or anything, so I'm just going to cut real close. And I'm going to cut the other side close. And a lot of these I tried to repurpose also, but this one I may or may not be able to repurpose this. And I just start sliding the beads off. And everybody goes, that's a lot of work just to get a few beads. But out of this necklace, I could probably make oh, let me wait till I get through, but I'm pretty sure I can make about, even doing the beaded wire beading I'm gonna do a tutorial on that. I can make probably about roughly 10 pair of earrings. Well, probably not 10 pair, 10 earrings, so probably 5 pair. And this is not going into a landfill, which is nice. And I also have my jewelry tools over here. Sometimes you need those. It's going in the trash. This is a different kind of bead right here. It's kind of corrugated. Got little grooves. So this could be, it looks like it's just missing 1 or 2. So I might keep that one. I won't strip it down. And I'll just keep pulling these. And one thing about harvesting your beads, when you get probably a length on there, it's always a good idea to cut it. It just makes it easier. And normally I listen to, or I have YouTube on, but since I'm making a video, my own YouTube video, I won't have YouTube on. But you know, I look at everybody's videos and I like them. And I love the haul videos, because then I know where, what's new out there or what's going on. And I just love creative people. And the internet makes it possible for all us to interact and see what each one's doing or making. And I'm looking for my little scooper. I thought I had everything. So I'm going out of camera for a minute. Here's my little triangle scooper. And wow, look at all these beads that came from that. Get it over here just a little so you can see it better. Sorry about that. can my bags. I get them off Amazon. I know you can buy them at, you know, Hobby Lobby, Joann's. I think $2.99 you get 100 bags. But I think online they have really good deals for 1,000 bags. So, but I wouldn't buy 1,000 bags unless you know, you knew you were gonna start you know, collecting beads, selling beads, making jewelry. Okay, that came from that. That's a pretty color. Pretty purple. Okay, my next one will be this one I won't take up all the time in the video, but a lot of the older jewelry or a lot of handmade jewelry, I'm going to cut this because it got tangled some kind of way. And I will deal with that one in a minute. I'll put it right here. But I really want to show the knotted. These are glass beads. But ever so often they have a knot. These are really nice. And it's a lot of them. So this is where I have my little scissors. These are a little bit sharper. And these I just cut. And sometimes the knot gets caught in the beads. I'll put that over here. This you have to get in a rhythm. Clip, push, clip, push, clip, push, clip, push. But once you get in that rhythm, I'm not in there yet. Pull that out. That don't want to come out, so I'll put that one over here. But clip, push, clip, push, clip, push, clip, push, clip, push, clip, push, clip, push. So you see these are nice. It's so different. And my glass beads, I get these little containers at the dollar store. I think they come in packs of 10. And I just collect those in here. But as you can see, that's going to take a while. But look, a container full. These are beautiful handmade glass. And someone put a lot of time and effort into this. Clip, push, clip, push. I will come back to that. And lo and behold, here's some more. I tried to get all the like beads together, but I didn't see these. I just did these green ones. And here's this. So that's gonna make a very nice. I mainly make earrings. Or focal pieces or pins. But anyway, thanks for watching my video. And check back often to see what I make. Because I have a whole, after I washed them with the darn dishwashing, this is what I came up with. So I have a lot of business to do. And this is gonna make a lot of nice beads from this pearls and black seed beads. There's some nice luster seed beads. And here's a gigantic, I don't know about this one, but these are humongous. It's a necklace. And have a good evening.